Thank you so much for speaking to Bloomberg Quint, sir. After this major policy decision coming in regarding the new mineral policy, will there be more incentives coming in for those explorers that will be coming ahead and defining the geological area of India?
Yeah, now there will be a revenue sharing model, means certain percentage of revenue now they will be getting from the prospective bidder. Suppose they discover some reserves in certain area, and when that area is put on auction, then from that auction certain percentage of revenue will come to the explorer. So it will be a direct benefit, and it will be directly linked to the extent of discovery they will make during exploration.
So is
So
there
it is a very, very attractive policy for private sector to come and invest in exploration.
So is there a quantum that has been defined? So supposing if X is
No, this will be defined on the basis of competitive bidding.
okay. So but there is no base figure that has been floated by the.
We will decide. We are working on that. So certain minimum percentage we will decide, and of course there will be cap also.